Alright. This is a gun lock I bought from Big 5. Sitting in my car messing with it, and I discovered that if you pull the key out at the right spot, you can unlock it with pretty much anything. It doesn't stay in the locking position. And I also took a knife. I can turn this all the way around in one direction, all the way around in the other direction, and it locks in either direction, but you cannot unlock it with the key if it's this direction. This is the wrong direction. It's got to be in this direction. Now, it's unlocked, and I can put the lock back in, and then with the knife, simply lock it. And then it doesn't come undone. And then I need the key to unlock it again because it's in the lock position. But if I take the key, put it all the way in, turn it, you turn it away from the direction it unlocks. It should. Oh, no. Loosen it up enough, and then you do this. This is a cheap, well, it wasn't exactly cheap, it was $25, but I mean, you unlock it the wrong way, your lock stays unlocked, and that's not good. Yep. Then if it locks in the incorrect direction like it just did, you just take the key, put it back in, turn it as far to that direction, back toward the correct direction as you can, pull the key out, and it'll take it out of that locking position, and you can turn it back. You put it back in the locking position, and you lock it, and now that's in the correct position to where I can't use anything to unlock it. So don't buy one of these cheap little locks. This one's called Pro Lock. $25 at Big 5.